Hello, welcome back. This is part 28, I believe. Let me check. Yeah, this is part 28. And in part 28, we're basically gonna, when we destroy a rock, I want it to be able to add the name of the rock into a string array. And then from there, when we build the shop, we can just um, create a for loop to go through that array and create a button to sell, um, each string in our array. So each rock that in our inventory basically. And so yeah, that's pretty much what we're gonna do. Um, I had to test this quite a lot because I found a few problems, but I understand what I have to do right now. So what you have to do is you have to, first of all, let me delete the if right there. First thing you have to do is remove the static, because the whole reason why we created the HUD, well, not the HUD, but like before, the rock was basically when we clicked on the rock it deleted, but now when we move our mouse over the rock and click B, the HUD script deletes it. And the reason we did that was because we didn't want a static array here. We wanted only the HUD to be able to use it. So once you've done that, under target, create a new variable called number and set that to 0. And now what we're going to do is we're going to say if so we've done that. Let me see. Oh yes, I have to show you something else I did right before we get on that. In my grass, I created a start function and set my transform.name to grass. So do that now. Okay, you should have paused and pause for this one as well. In here, I created in my start function an if transform.name equals rock clone with a big C and big R, then select type, the method. So once you've done that, go down to select type, and under every single one, you should press pause now. And what I've changed is my transform.name equals to normal, equals to copper, equals to iron, and equals to steel. So make sure of that. Press pause now. Okay, welcome back. Now that you've done that, we can carry on. So you say if this is a double check, so if target dot name is not equal to normal, then come in here, and what we'll basically do is say if number is less than our inventory dot length, then what we're going to do now is say inventory and little two brackety thingies, inventory with number in here, make sure you put number in there, equals and we're not putting that, we're doing target dot name, and then right below here we say number plus plus. So what that does is it double checks that our rock is not a normal rock, so an earth, and then it says, well, if our selected inventory slot is less than the inventory length, then add whatever you're breaking to that array and increase our selected inventory space. Yeah. So now if I hit play, and I rename my player to a player so I don't have to find it, it's always at the top. You should do that as well. And click main camera, and in my inventory array right here, when I delete a copper, boom, we have a copper. If I delete a rock, okay, we'll have to fix that. I don't know why it does it, but we'll have to fix it. And so I delete a lot, and then once I get to the end, I delete, but it doesn't add, and I don't get an error, which is good. That's very good. So now we have to make sure that our name, I need to fix this problem here. So this is a rock clone. Now why is it telling me that its name is a rock clone? So actually just change this to rock clone instead of normal. It doesn't seem to be doing it. Okay. So now if I click main camera and try to delete that, yay, we don't get it anymore. So we no longer get a rock clone in here, but we still should get a thing for everything else. So that's basically done. We've got our inventory nearly working, and in the next one we're going to start creating the shop. Bye bye guys.